guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually vlogging today. And on we'll go. It is currently Sunday and it is 10:30. It's pretty late. I have a bunch of things to do today. I need to go to D-Mart and I need to buy Rakis. I haven't freshened up. I haven't brushed my teeth yet, so we'll go and do that.
So after I brush my teeth and wash my face, I usually apply toner on my face to just remove all the excess impurities that is left over. And then I usually bring back the moisture by putting on a little aloe vera gel on my face because I think it works best in the morning.
So I freshened up, did my skincare and my skin feels good. We're gonna go make green tea now. I drink 1 glass of green tea and lime every day because it's good for health and I want to lose some weight, at least a little.
I usually like scrolling through Instagram when I am drinking my green tea.
Hey guys, so I just thought of putting like a face mask on my face because tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan and I'm so excited because I'm getting a gift that I've wanted for so long. So this is the face mask that I'm going to be using. The Ever You cucumber and aloe vera face mask. I actually love face masks. I put a face mask on my face every week. So I like using a flat brush, but y'all can use your hands or whatever it is y'all use. So I'm gonna keep this for 15 minutes. So 2-3 days ago, my friends and I wanted to get ready together and click pictures. So I told them to take videos of when they're putting makeup and all. So they did that and it actually turned out pretty good. So I'll insert the clips now. So it was so much fun to do. You all should try it with your friends and post it on Instagram. And I'm going to be posting that pictures on my Instagram. So go follow me there. So we'll wash this off now. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing to go to D-Mart. Let's go! So I just got into the rickshaw and I had to travel by rickshaw because we have so many bags and we bought a lot of stuff. I couldn't film inside because there were a lot of people. I wore like gloves and everything. That's a good thing. I'm traveling in the rickshaw after so long and it's nostalgia. So we just got back from D-Mart. So I'll show you what I bought.
So I got like 14 Rakis. And I don't have 14 brothers. These are 6 Rakis that I bought and they're so pretty. Look at that. And they are 6 Rakis, but I got them for like 50 rupees in this box. There are some brothers who have passed away in the family, so we do keep Rakis for them near their picture also. I think these I'm gonna tie my cousin brother and my brother. From this I'm gonna take 2 and tie for my puppy, and one is for my best friend's brother who I tie Rakhi every year.
So my brother just came home and he dropped off this big package. It's my Raksha Bandhan gift, but I got it early because it came early. So guess what it is? It's a ring light. Let's remove it out. Ooh, it's big. That's what she said. Wait. Ooh. Yes. Everything's falling out. Beauty. There's a screw on top. So I'll just figure this out and I'll be right back.
So it works pretty well, and the stand is quite huge. The light is also very bright and I loved it.
Okay guys, so I think I might have to give back the package because like I told my brother to order the ring light that had three modes, that is the white and then the whitish yellow and then the full yellow. But when I received this and I checked it out, the light was full yellow. I was like, okay, it's yellow, let me try changing it. So I pressed the button that changes the light and it did not change. So I'm thinking of giving that back and getting a new one. I'm gonna show y'all like how the light isn't changing and what is happening so y'all can see for yourself. So the ring light came in a box like this, and if y'all can see, it says it can adjust to up to 3 levels. Yeah, 3 color temperatures. Okay, so I put the switch on and then I am putting it on. Okay, so this is the ring light. It's really bright, it's good. I like the quality of it and it is actually a good ring light. So this is the light switch, okay? And this is the light. I'm pressing this. When I'm trying to change the light settings, it's not changing. I really wanted this light to work because I've always wanted a ring light. But I'll have to give it back because it does not. I press this so many times to see if it's changing, but it's not. I really wanted it to work out, but unfortunately, it's not gonna work out. And I'll give it back. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm ready. I wore a kurta and leggings. So this is the finished makeup look. Very soft and subtle, nothing too bright. Mama, what did you make? What did you make?
Pork bhaji.
So guys, that is all for today's video. If y'all enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs and makeup videos. And I will see y'all in the next one.